Hello everyone. So I asked on my WhatsApp group if people use LinkedIn article. So the response I got was that most people do not use LinkedIn article. Some people do not even have a LinkedIn account. So in this video, I'll be showing us how to write an article on LinkedIn. So this is LinkedIn desktop. This is me opening my LinkedIn on my PC, and here you're going to see when you're on your profile, while on the home tab, you're going to see write an article. So when you want to start a post, you go to write an article. Then from write an article, you have the opportunity to give your article a title, then write whatever you want to write. So you can write an article as an individual, and if you have a LinkedIn page, you can also write an article as a LinkedIn page. So for example, these are my options. So I have this is my page, this is my business page, and this is my profile. So let's say I want to publish the article on my page. This is where I'm going to click, and if I want to publish it on my personal profile, this is where I'm going to click. So why is LinkedIn article, why is it so important and different from the other LinkedIn posts? So sometimes you just want to post. So LinkedIn posts are just for small posts, small write-ups that you just want to share your thoughts or share your experience, share your knowledge with your community. But LinkedIn article gives you some advantages, and one of the advantages that it establishes you as a thought leader and it builds authority. So when you have an article in your name, you have something you have thought about, you share it as a form of an article, it makes you a thought leader. It doesn't really make you a thought leader, but it establishes you as a thought leader, and it builds authority and confidence. Another thing is that it boosts your visibility. It boosts your visibility and organic reach. So it's LinkedIn automatically distributes your article to your connections and your followers, and it also algorithm is also favorable. Another thing is that it improves your SEO and search engine ranking. So articles are indexed by Google and LinkedIn. So that way you are more visible to people. You're more visible to people. It also enhances engagement and community building. So there are features like comment, share, and easy distribution. This way you can share the links, share whatever you have written with a large number of people. It doesn't have to be on LinkedIn, it can be on Facebook, it can be on other platform. And there are times that you are trying to maybe compete for anything, or you're trying to win an award and you are asked to share an article you have written in the past. You can easily, if you use this option, you can easily go to your article, copy the link and paste it to whatever application you're trying to do. So it's more professional. It is more professional than you just writing posts on LinkedIn. So it's also very cost effective and easy to produce. You don't need any external tool, you don't need any special tool to produce this article. So I hope you find this very useful. So just to buttress on the point, another thing you can do is you have options to bold. You can choose the style, the normal, the heading. You can choose the subheading. You can choose to use italics. You can choose to bold. You can add ordered lists. You can add numbered lists. So you can add quotations. You can also use coding. You can add links. You can add images to your articles. So a lot of things that you can do. So next time you don't have to freak out or be afraid of posting on LinkedIn. Share your thoughts. Let people know what you've got. And this could be the beginning of something beautiful. I hope you find this useful. See you in the next one. So another thing I forgot to mention is that you don't have to have a PC or a laptop before you post an article on LinkedIn. Let's say you're on the go and you have a very beautiful thought you think you can share while in the bus, while at work. You can just open your phone, go to Google Chrome or whatever site, click on the three dots beside it, then make sure you check the desktop site option. When you check it, it's going to load as if you're on your PC. Then you can actually do whatever you need to do on your PC. Whatever you are going to do on your PC, you are going to do exactly the same thing on your phone. So I hope you find this very useful.